Sometimes it may be necessary to reset all pairings or to both reset the pairings and return to the factory settings. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform these two operations. Let's turn on our BTR1 or BTR1 Advanced by pressing the center and down buttons until the blue light appears. Once our intercom is turned on, we're going to press the three large buttons simultaneously until we see the steady red light on the LED. Good. In this state, if we press the volume plus and volume minus buttons simultaneously until the blue light flashes, we will perform a reset of the pairings. So all phones, GPS, TFTs or intercoms that were previously paired will be deleted. If, on the other hand, we want to perform a deeper reset, that is, a factory reset, we can use this procedure. With the intercom turned on, we always press the three large buttons until we get the steady red light. And then we press the three large buttons again until the blue light flashes. This operation, in addition to having reset all pairings, has restored all factory settings. So all the settings, which could be those of the Vox, the background, the volumes or any others, have returned to the basic ones of the firmware you have installed.